What up YouTube, Slayer31 here, coming at you guys with another video, and today we'll be opening Steam Siege pack, and I'm currently at League right now, so let's get to it. Hoping for a ticket rare Volcanion EX or Volcanion EX. One, two, three, two. And we got Lowe's Pass, Litleo, Sneasel, Yanma, Aipom, Gardevoir Spearlink, Nuzleaf, Claw Fossil Anorid, a Dino Reverse Rare, and not Reverse Rare, sorry about that guys, and a Probo Pass. Alright guys, subscribe, like to my videos, and thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.